Hello friends, once again welcome back to the Blogmind YouTube channel. So, in this today's video we are going to create a new contact form with the help of WP Forms. By the way, this is one of the best plugin on the WordPress which you can use it to create your desired form like contact form, newsletter form, automobile form or even pop-up forms. You can create any of these forms with the help of this plugin. Now, you might be thinking that is there any other option which you can look forward to create a WordPress form as same as it does? So, there is another option in the market named WP Forms. This plugin also works like a contact form and even I create a video on this topic too. So, I'm not going to waste your time to explain the same damn thing. If you want to watch this video also, just go ahead on my channel and search for it. Okay, if you are new here, so let me just remind you again. Please do subscribe my channel because this kind of useful information you will get on the Blogmind channel. So please hit the subscribe button now. Alright, to create a new contact form, you will have to click right here in the section of create blank forms. Now, you can see the multiple options displaying on the screen. You can use all these options to create your desired contact form. And also, you can see many more options right bottom on the section as well. But this section available only for paid members. We can't use them until we brought the membership of this plugin. But we are here to create a contact form without paying any membership at all. So for now, just ignore these sections and move forward to the standard field option. So in any contact form, the first option that we will see on it is the name option. So we have to drag the option like this and drop it just right here. Now, there are two options available in the name section. First option is first and second option is last. But if you want to change the name of this section, you can easily do that by selecting the name option and type whatever you want. Here you see the name option is now changed, but let it be the same option as it was before. Did you notice something? There are only two options displaying here, the first name or the last name. But what about the middle name? To get the middle name, we need to click on format section. And after that, we have to click on this first, middle and last option. Then here we find all the essential options. Also, if you want to give a description on this section, you can do that by writing anything on this description section. But this is not necessary. So we need to move forward and click on the advanced section. The first field that we can see right here is the field size. Now, let's say you want to change the size of this section. So how you can do that? Here this option is allow you to change the size of these boxes. Now, I'm going to stretch this section end to end. And for that, we'll have to select the large option. And there we go. Now it looks more cool than before. Now, the next option is no more practical. I mean, who want to change the placeholder name? Like, if you write anything here, it will automatically display under this box, which is just useless. So now, our name section is just completed and we need to put more option to complete our contact form. And for that, we need to click on add field options. Then drag the mail field and drop it into this panel. Now we have to click on this section and multiple options displaying on our screen. Here you can see the same option which we already seen in name options. So you can change the label name as well. And then you will find the required section also. If you want to enable it, so you can do that by easily tap on this section. And if you don't want to do that, just leave it. And just after that, you can see the option called enable email confirmation. You can easily enable it, or if you don't like this option, so you can easily disable this as well. But first, I'm going to stretch this section till the end. And for that, we need to click on advanced setting. And here, we'll have to select the large option. The next option that we need to add is address section. And for address section, we need to click on paragraph text. So just drag it and drop it into the contact form. Now, we need to convert the paragraph text into the address one. And to do that, we need to move forward into the label section. And here, type address. Now it becomes our address section. Let's enable the required section. Then move into the advanced section. Here, we need to select the large option in the field size as we did with all the other sections. Let's just save this contact form. And here our contact form is ready. It's time to see how our form really looks like. And to see it, let's click on preview section. And there we go. Now this is the final conclusion. Just tell me in the comment box how my form looks like. So that's it for today's video. I'll be see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.